Hello, all my dearest students of CA Final. I hope you all are doing good. I hope your studies are going on great. So here I have come up with a very important announcement for all those who are giving exams in May 2026, in September 26 or in Jan 2027. Announcement is with respect to a very important batch that I'm coming up for your May 26, September 26 and Jan 27 exam for CA Final Direct Tax. So it's a regular batch which we are starting 100% live, and it is a super lightning batch. All those who want to complete the batch in a short duration, that is in 35 days, entire direct tax, not exam oriented, regular batch, they can enroll for this particular batch. So this batch will be for 35 days back to back. In 35 days, we are going to complete the entire syllabus, regular batch. It is not an exam oriented batch. It will be 100% live. All the concepts will be covered from the regular batch. All the questions of the regular batch will be covered. More than 550 practical questions will be covered in the class. That is the USP of our classes. We don't only believe in teaching you the provisions logically and conceptually along with the reasons of the amendment. We also believe in you practicing with you maximum questions that are possible across the nation. So we will also cover more than 550 questions. All of them are updated as per the latest Finance Act. And along with that, we are also going to cover last 8 attempt RTPs, 8 attempt MTPs and 8 attempt exam papers also. So at the end of the batch, we are going to invest a lot of time in covering 24 papers. We are going to solve 24 papers in the class. Believe me, once you solve 24 papers with me in the class, there will be nothing left after that which ICI can ask in the examination. So anybody who is interested in enrolling this batch, which is a super lightning batch, it is going to be completed in 35 days. What is the duration? And it will be full English batch. If any Hindi students wants to enroll, they can also enroll if they are comfortable with understanding in English. It is better you enroll in English only. If you understand English, it is better to enroll in English, because ultimately you are going to write the paper in English only. So it is better to understand the concept also in English only, so that you are used to the language, so that when you write the paper, obviously you will remember my words in English and you don't have to translate at your end again and again to make it an English sentence. Okay, because in Hindi batch we teach in Hindi and English mix. So a lot of concepts we teach in Hindi. Okay, so to understand that in Hindi and then to apply that in English, it is slightly sometimes difficult. I'm not saying it is very difficult, but given a choice, if you can understand English, you can enroll for this batch. As our Hindi batch is already concluded, I cannot take two batches at the same time. Okay, now what is the duration of this batch? Who is eligible for this batch? This batch is designed for those students who always cry that DT is a very big subject. It doesn't get completed in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months also. If you keep on watching the recording lecture, you are not disciplined in the recording lecture, you don't watch recording lecture for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, and a lot of time is wasted. So if you wish to complete DT, a mammoth subject, which is the biggest subject out of your CA final syllabus, I can say you are 50% of group 2. There are 3 papers in group 2, you all know that. But out of that, 50% of the group 2 is DT only. And remaining 50%, you can say it is IDT and your IBS. So if you want to complete this mammoth of group 2 in 35 days, come here. Leave everything for 35 days. Leave everything for 35 days, come here. Obviously, the lectures will be for full day. You will be given relevant breaks. See the schedule of the lecture. It will start from 5th of December 2025 and end on or before 10th of January 2026. Monday to Saturday, the lecture will be from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. with break. I will give you relevant breaks in between. Don't worry. Then you will get a break for 4 hours, take break for 4 hours, then in evening only 2.5 hours. That's it. Okay. On Sunday, also we will be taking only 4 hours. Rest of the day will be, you can take a break on rest of the day. Your target should be what? This batch is designed for which students? It is designed for those students who wants to enroll the batch, give 35 days for DT, complete DT with me. Along with that, whatever is the leftover time in the evening, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, you revise the entire day stuff. Or in the afternoon, you can revise for 1 hour, you can have lunch for 1 hour, and then you can sleep for 2 hours. If 1 o'clock your batch is getting over every day, so 1 hour you have a lunch, you sleep for 1 hour, then 1 hour you study in the afternoon, 1 hour you study in the evening. Your batch will be through in 35 days. I am promising you. Your 35 days challenge will be completed with ease if you follow this schedule. Okay. Now, what all things we are going to cover? 100% concepts will be covered over here. This is our regular batch only, but we are just completing in what? In a lightning speed, so that the student gets what? Student gets time to do other subjects. Otherwise, the student go on doing DT again and again, months and months and months, and they are not able to complete the batch. This will be with complete concepts, complete 100% logics of each and every provision will be taught to you. This is fully updated as per the latest Finance Act. And more than 550 practical question, as I've said you earlier, also will be covered in this batch. Along with that, all the RTPs, past RTPs, 8 RTPs are fully amended by me as per Finance Act 2025. I'm not giving you old RTPs. I have made updated RTP. I have taken all the RTPs from ICI website. I have changed their entire provisions. I have changed their entire dates. I have changed their entire tax rates. I have applied the relevant amendments, and it is fully updated for your exams. Okay, 8 RTPs, 8 MTPs, 8 exam paper we are going to do at the end. Okay, so sir, what is the fees? We have kept very reasonable fees for those students who wants 100% live batch without backup. There are two options we are giving. One is with backup, another is without backup. If you take with backup, then you will again become lethargic because you will feel that there is a backup. I will see tomorrow. That tomorrow will never come. If you see without backup, if you go without backup, the fees is lesser. It is just 7,992. It is lesser than the exam oriented batch also. Even exam oriented batch is more than that. Even fast track batch is more than this. So if you want to enroll, if you want to have self discipline in life, go for this batch. 7,992 including GST. It will be entirely done. Regular batch will be done in 35 days. But if you want backup, then obviously you have to pay extra money for that. Okay, you will get 100% live in this. In this batch, you will get only live, no backup. In this batch, if you are indisciplined, you can go for this, but indisciplined is of no use in CA exams. If you are disciplined, you can go for this batch, 7,992. That's it. Entire regular batch will be done. But if you don't want that, if you are not sure about attending all the lectures on time, then you can go for backup also. You will get 100% backup of the entire syllabus. The batch is for 220 hours. So you will get 220 hours full backup. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. So I hope you will enroll for this and you will tell all your friends. This batch can be enrolled by anybody who is giving exams in May 26, September 26 and Jan 27. Please clear your DT exams in next 1 or 2 attempts. Because after that, new income tax law will come. If the moment new income tax law will come, you have to unlearn everything and then you have to relearn everything. So it is not an easy task. So it is a sincere advice to all of you that wherever you are learning, I'm not saying learn from me only, wherever you are learning, do conceptual study in direct tax. Check whether the relevant teacher is teaching you sufficient questions or not. Only 50, 100 question is not sufficient in CA final direct tax. You will not pass in exam if you only do 50, 100 question in the class and you will go in the center. Not possible. You have to touch every chapter in detail along with the relevant questions on it. And then you have to practice at least 20 to 25 papers with me. Only then you will be having a firm grip on the subject. Okay. For enrollment, what we can do? You can come to our website. You can go over here. You can go to live at home. Okay. And you can click on CA final. You come over here. You will get only one option over here. You have two options with backup. With backup, it is 13,990. You apply coupon code. The coupon code is PASS20. You will get 20% off. Without backup, it is 9,990. You apply coupon code PASS20. You will get it 7,992. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. And this is along with the hard copy books. There will be 5 sets of books which will be given to you. 3 books which will cover the Bare Act, ICI material. 2 books, 1 question bank and 1 concept book, which is absolutely color in nature. Okay. So I hope you all are clear with everything. If you have any doubts still, you can contact on this number or you can visit our website directly to enroll for this batch. Okay. Till then, take care all of you. Bye.